She always says action. Action, action, action with a passion. I like it.
Oh my God.
Guys, I haven't been around for a long time. We've been traveling and I haven't been watching videos. I must apologize to you all. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. If you're not watching it, you better watch it later. So anyhow, this is the news. This is Michael.
How you doing?
Michael's from Boston. He's my son.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's all you got to say?
Well, what
Say something else.
Should have gave you some lines.
Tell them. They're waiting for you to say something.
Hi, I'm from Boston. How you doing?
We're gonna make a well-to-do Long Island iced tea. Why? Because Mike likes them. He's never been to Long Island before, and he doesn't drink tea. So we're gonna make a Long Island iced tea for Michael. Okay? And we're gonna put in 2 ounces of rum. Whoa, where's my thing? 2 ounces of rum. Two ounces of gin. Who cares if it's a little over? Just don't go a little under. You can go a little over. Don't go a little under. 2 ounces of gin. Whoops. 2 ounces of tequila. Jose Cuervo. He's a friend of mine. At least he was with Janis Joplin. This is a double, by the way, in case you're wondering why is he putting in so much. Oh, because he's Cocktail Tony. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work for me. 2 ounces of vodka. I know I always pour a lot. 2 ounces of vodka. And this is the killer, folks. Triple sec or Cointreau. I use Cointreau because I like it better. 2 ounces of Cointreau or triple sec. Whoa, baby. 2 ounces of this shit. Sweet and sour mix. 2 ounces of sweet and sour mix.
I thought 4 ounces altogether.
2 ounces. 2 ounces. That's because I'm making a double.
Is there
You gotta
room?
listen to her because she's always right. She's always telling me what to do and where to go. I get told where to go more than anybody. Now, you're supposed to stir this, but I'm going to shake it. So I'm going to put my Coca-Cola in now. And I need 6 ounces of Coca-Cola.
You have enough room in your
Nope.
shaker?
Nope. This might be a stir instead of a shaker. Definitely a stirrer.
This happens.
There you go. All done. See, I shook it for longer. Okay? Okay.
You're going to put the ice in?
I'm going to pour the ice in.
Use your fingers. I can't see. You put that other shaker right in front of you.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you.
We got a mess over here. We definitely have a mess over here. Messy, 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 messy.
Garnish.
Okay, now, garnish.
Yay!
Cherry, lime, wedge of lime on an umbrella because, you know, in Long Island, it's very, very paradisey over there. They got Lolita Long Island, you know, they shoot people in the face in Long Island. But anyhow, here's to you guys. Cocktail Tony is going to say hello to your mama, and Michael's going to say hello to his papa because that's what we do. We do that here, okay?
Giving me his drink.
Oh, you got to give him his drink. Here you go, Michael.
This is going to put me to bed.
I'm going to put him to bed.
Yeah.
That's good?
That's good.
Okay. Cheers to y'all. Cocktail Tony, over and out.